Well friends, here is the next problem, and before going to the problem, let me see the given direction. The given direction is, under each given letter series, 4 alternatives are given. Complete the series by choosing the correct one. And the given question is M L dash N M L M dash M L dash N dash L M N dash L. There are 4 alternatives are given. To solve such kind of problems, the easy way is to substitute the given options and read the series. If you get the right pattern, then that will be the correct option. For that, first let me consider the given first option. ML dash. In place of dash, let me put the first letter as M. N, M, L, M. Now dash. Again here, M. M, L. Next is N. N dash. Next is M. L. M, N. Dash. N, L. Now what I have done? Simply, I have substituted the first option in places of dash. That is M here there, M it is there, N it is there, M, N, M and N. Now try to read the series. M, L, M, N, M, L, M, 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 L, N, N, M, L, M, N, N, L. So when you read this series, you are not observing any pattern, right? For that, what now what I'll do? I'll substitute the second option. Now substitute the second option. In the second option, the first letter is N. Next, the second one is N. The third is M. Fourth is M. And fifth is what? N. Now try to read the series. M, L, N, N. M, L, M, N. M, L, M, N. M, L, M, N. N, L. So once again, I am not having any pattern. That means I am not observing any pattern. For that, now what I'll do, I'll move to the third option. Well friends, now let me substitute the third option. The third option, the first letter is M. The second is N. The third is M. Fourth is N. And fifth is N. Now once again, read the series. M, L, M, N. M, L, M, N. M, L, M, N. N, L, M, N. N, L. When you observe this, once again I am not observing any pattern. For that, now what I'll do, I'll substitute the fourth option, that is last option. Well friends, now according to the fourth option, the first letter is M. The second one is N. Third is M. Fourth is M. And the fifth one is also M. Now try to read the series. M, L, M, N. M, L, M, N. M, L, M, N. M, L, M, N. M, L. Well friends, now once again read this. M, L, M, N. M, L, M, N. M, L, M, N. M, L, M, N. M, L, it will be M, N. Okay. Now, when you substitute the fourth option, you are having some regular pattern. Therefore, the fourth option is the right option. We'll see some more number of problems.